With its mix of flagship imaging and exceptional portability, the DJI Mavic series has never stopped empowering creators. Now, it's time for another bold leap forward. Introducing Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 3 Pro Cine. Pro and Pro Cine both feature 3 cameras for ultra-dynamic imaging. It starts with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera for outstanding image quality and color science.
对于风光拍摄而言，好风景往往稍纵即逝。4/3 CMOS 哈苏相机在大光比环境下可以记录更多光影信息。再结合哈苏自然色彩解决方案，直出的素材的颜色也能像人眼所见一样真实细腻。
The upgraded 166mm tele camera offers 7 times optical zoom and a wider f3.4 aperture. It provides higher resolution and can shoot 4K 60 FPS video.
Having the tele lens is truly game-changing for me because I think, especially while shooting wildlife, you want to try to capture the most authentic moments. So being able to film from a safe distance is really an amazing feature.
The third camera is a new 70mm medium tele that supports 3 times optical zoom, up to 48 megapixel resolution, and can shoot 4K 60 FPS and D-Log-M video.
The new 3 times tele lens is super helpful when you're trying to shoot in these urban environments because you can't always get super close to your subject. So it lets you just punch in and shoot from a bit farther back so you're not disturbing anyone. And it also lets you shoot with more compression. So those backgrounds look a lot bigger and more dramatic and you get more parallax through their shots.
The Cine version comes with a built-in 1TB SSD. And all 3 cameras are capable of recording in Apple ProRes for premium color fidelity. In addition to flexible pro-level imaging, Mavic 3 Pro also provides industry-leading flight performance and intelligent features. Authentic imaging has the power to convey emotion, to inspire, and to freeze moments in time. Mavic 3 Pro delivers endless ways to ignite the sparks of creativity.
So having 3 lenses built into the DJI Mavic 3 Pro allows me to get different angles and different shots that I didn't really think were possible before.
From the image quality to the insane variety of shots that you can get, this drone really is a dream for visual storytellers.
有了 Mavic 3 Pro， 我可以灵活使用3个焦段，尝试不同的构图，极大地提升了风光摄影的创作效率。
With its innovative triple camera system, Mavic 3 Pro ushers in a new era of imaging and storytelling possibilities, allowing you to keep inspiration in focus.